Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and iOS is current. This matters because display zoom and accessibility features vary by model. Once done, back up your device so you can revert if needed. Now go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and select View. Choose Zoom and tap Set to enlarge UI elements system-wide. This increases icon and text scale without changing font settings. Make sure to wait while the interface resizes, and then check your home screen to confirm the larger layout. After the display zoom, you fine-tune readability through accessibility. Go to Settings Accessibility Zoom and enable it. Pick Full Screen Zoom for system-wide magnification or Window Zoom for a movable lens. Then open Display and Text Size and drag the larger text slider to increase type size. Toggle bold text to improve contrast and legibility. Learn the gestures. A 3-finger double tap zooms in or out, drag with 3 fingers to pan, and pinch with 3 fingers to change zoom level. These let you control magnification. To finish, check individual apps, enable Safari Reader for cleaner, larger text. Adjust Mail and Notes font sizes where available. Once satisfied, restart your iPhone so all layout changes apply consistently. If elements look cropped or too large, make sure iOS is updated, then reset accessibility settings or choose standard view in display and brightness to revert. If problems persist, reset all settings as a last software step and contact Apple support if you suspect a hardware or system-level issue that prevents proper scaling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.